Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete Instagram messages. But before we start, hurry up and check out this software just under this video. So let's get started. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you delete Instagram messages? Well, in this case, the first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up the Instagram mobile app. Let's go ahead and click on the send or the chat at or message or send icon at the top right. Let's go and click on it. Now, in this case, you need to open up the chat that you want to actually delete the messages. Let's go and choose this one. And from here, you should be able to see all the messages that you see on the screen. So the thing here is you can only actually delete messages or basically messages that is available on your mobile device. So for example, if you want to unsend the message that you just recently sent, you can go ahead and press and hold on that message and choose the unsend option here. That would actually unsend that message as long as that user hasn't seen that specific message or that message is actually pretty new. So meaning they won't be able to actually see it, but they will still be notified regarding it. But in this case, you should be able to remove it totally from the actual messages here. But again, it is only available, or this feature is only available for the more recent messages that you have. So the older the message that you have, the more probability that this option or the unsend option will not be available to you later on. So you also have the option to unsend or remove a message that someone actually sent to you. So in this case, we have the hello message here. You could go ahead and press and hold on it, and you have the option to delete that message for you. So this will only remove the message on your chat here. But if someone actually views the actual chat on the other phone or the other person that you're talking to, they will still be able to see that specific message. So in this case, if you just want to hide some messages here, or if you want to basically don't want to see it again, you could go ahead and hide them or delete for you, or use the delete for you option here on your chat. Now, alternatively, if you want to delete the whole thing or the whole conversation, you could go ahead and go back into your chat section here, press and hold on that person they want to delete, go ahead and click on delete here, and that would actually delete this from your inbox. So in this case, the people who message you can still see the conversation and can message you again unless you block them. Which in this case, you should be able to delete the actual conversation here, but then again, they should be able to still start messaging again since we haven't blocked them. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you delete your messages or Instagram messages here. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.